this rain. Little London Primary School closed because of flooding. Now the A1M southbound, very heavy at Stevenage, 15-minute delay, and then just south of Welwyn Garden City starts to slow down and all the way through to the M25, taking about an extra 40 minutes to get through. Lots of flooding just around the M25 junction. Now the 602 between Stevenage and Walton at Stone closed in both directions, then closed the Walton Road closed towards Ware as well. The 119 very slow and heading past Walton.
Coming through after me.
But lots of people getting stuck, loads of cars have been abandoned, people getting stuck in the water. Don't try and get through because you won't. We've been saying you can go left up Church Lane through Bengio to come out Hertford that way if you're trying to get through Stapleton and Waterford, but it may not be suitable for lower cars, just the bigger ones are getting through. The B158 Hornsville Road in Hertford flooded down by the river. Grizzly Way in Stevenage flooded between Sainsbury's down to Broadwater Lane. A120 Standon Hill blocked in both directions between the Park Bridge roundabout and Bishop's Parkway Junction in Stortford because of flooding. Cooper's Green Lane between Welwyn Garden City and St Albans closed